Hey everyone, this is Cheryl, your host and owner of this faceless travel channel. Yes, that is my face, just in case you were curious about the person behind the video. So, if you're here, chances are you're about to take on one of the most challenging and rewarding experiences in parenthood flying with a baby. I know it can feel daunting, but I'm here with some game-changing travel hacks. We'll be looking at super helpful Amazon finds that can make your life on a plane so much easier with your little one. From gadgets to comfort items, let's jump into the travel essentials you won't want to fly without. Number 1 is the portable changing pad kit. Let's talk about these unique changing pads. Airplane bathrooms are so tight, it feels like you're doing gymnastics just to get a diaper change done. A compact, portable changing pad kit can be a real lifesaver. Look for ones that have built-in pockets for diapers, wipes, and creams, all bundled up in one convenient kit. They're usually spill-proof and give your baby a clean, safe space for a quick change, no matter where you are. It's like having your own mini changing station wherever you go. Talk about peace of mind. Number 2 is the baby noise-canceling headphones. Let's first talk about the noise. Planes can be incredibly loud, and that constant drone of the engines? It's unsettling for adults, let alone babies. That's where noise-canceling headphones specifically designed for little ears come in. They help block out all that sound so your baby can actually get some rest. If your baby's a light sleeper, these headphones could be the difference between a peaceful snooze and a meltdown. You'll thank yourself when they're snuggled up and snoozing through takeoff. Number 3. Here is the silicone stackable travel bottles for formula or snacks. If you're like most parents, you need to carry snacks, formula, or baby lotion. These leak-proof silicone travel bottles are amazing because they're TSA approved. That means you can breeze through security with just the right amount. They're also easy to clean, flexible, and compact enough to fit in your carry-on. The wide openings make it easy to pour in formula, pureed foods, or even your baby's favorite lotion. Super handy and mess-free. Number 4 is the portable UV sterilizer. Now, let's discuss cleanliness. Babies love putting everything in their mouths, right? That's why a portable UV sterilizer is so handy. It's a small gadget that uses UV light to sanitize in minutes, whether it's a pacifier or a bottle nipple. Just toss it in your diaper bag pocket and you're good to go. It's powerful enough to kill 99% of germs, so when something falls on the floor mid-flight, you don't have to worry about finding a sink. Number 5. We are going to look at the baby carrier with built-in hip seat now. Navigating an airport with a stroller is like trying to push a shopping cart through a crowded mall. So, let me tell you about the baby carrier with a built-in hip seat. This takes the weight off your back and shoulders, giving extra support, and your baby can sit facing outwards to see all the action. It's super comfortable and way easier to move through crowds and tight spaces without feeling like you're carrying a ton of bricks. Number 6 is the portable white noise machine, another option for keeping out the noise and keeping the baby calmer. Babies get used to certain sounds at home, so the new noises on a plane can make it hard for them to relax. That's why a portable white noise machine is a lifesaver. Clip it to the car seat or have it beside you and play ocean waves, lullabies, or other calming sounds. You're recreating a little slice of home, even 30,000 feet in the air. Number 7 is the on-the-go pacifier wipes. Every parent knows that pacifiers are going to hit the ground, probably multiple times. On-the-go pacifier wipes are gentle, safe, and perfect for those moments when you need a quick clean. These wipes are often food grade, so they're safe for babies and ideal for last-minute sanitizing when you can't wash things with soap and water. We are at number 8 now, the compact diaper bag backpack. Backpacks are amazing for keeping your hands free. Look for a compact diaper bag with multiple compartments, maybe even some insulated pockets for bottles and a changing pad. There are some great ones on Amazon that come with stroller straps too. This way you've got everything you need within reach, but your hands are still free for the baby. Number 9 is the inflatable airplane seat cushion for kids. Now, this is a genius hack. This inflatable cushion fills the legroom gap in front of your baby's seat, creating a flat, cozy space for your little one to lie down or play. Perfect for long flights. It's easy to inflate, deflate, and it fits right in your carry-on. Think of it as a little bed in the sky for your baby. Let's look at number 10, the disposable placemats and bibs. Mealtime on a plane doesn't have to be stressful. Disposable, sticky-back placemats give your baby a clean surface on tray tables, and single-use bibs mean no laundry mid-flight. Just toss them when you're done. It's easy and keeps things clean. Number 11 is the baby bottle cooler bag. If you're on a longer flight and don't have guaranteed refrigeration, a baby bottle cooler bag is a must. They can keep bottles cool for up to 6 hours, so you don't have to worry about feeding on the go. This just makes it so much easier for you and the baby. Number 12 is the teething toys with clips. A lot of babies are in that teething stage, which makes them unusually fussy. These clip-on toys keep them entertained and soothe sore gums. Plus, the clip prevents toys from falling on the floor. Super convenient and clean. If your baby already has one, it was a wise decision to get it. But for those who don't, I highly recommend it. Number 13. Never travel without the portable diaper disposable bags with dispenser. For quick and easy cleanups, these scented bags are a game changer, especially in cramped airplane bathrooms. Just pop a used diaper in, tie it up, and you've got all odors sealed until you can get to throw it away. By doing this, you don't have to be traveling around with a dirty diaper. Number 14. Every parent should have one of these. The foldable stroller that fits in overhead bin. This one is an amazing addition to your baby's travel essential. This foldable stroller packs down to fit in the overhead bin. It's ideal if you want to avoid gate checking and makes the transition from airport to airplane so much smoother, especially when landing and needing your stroller right away. And at least you will know where your baby's stroller is at all times. Number 15. The mesh baby toy organizer for Seatback pocket is quite unique. Instead of digging through your bag every time your baby wants a toy, use a mesh organizer that attaches to the Seatback pocket. It keeps toys, snacks, and even pacifiers within easy reach, and everything's organized and visible. It's a simple way to avoid unnecessary rummaging and possibly disturbing your airplane neighbors. The toddler airplane seat extender is our bonus item. It can be the change you are seeking to keep your child calmer and comfortable when flying. Moms need more time to interact and communicate with their babies. This toddler airplane travel essentials allows moms and babies to interact face-to-face and promote mutual contact and affection. Here is how it works. The top of this toddler travel cot needs to be fixed on the top of the table behind the airplane seat, and remember not to put the table down. Tie the other end around your waist to complete the installation, and finally place your baby on the middle strap. This works well when your baby goes to sleep. You can easily put this infant airplane bed in your travel bag without taking up too much space. It certainly is a must-have for travel. So there you have it. Those are my top Amazon finds for making plane travel with a baby as smooth as possible. You'll find links to these products in the description, and I highly recommend checking them out, especially if you're feeling even a little nervous about flying with your little one. With these baby travel essentials, your next flight will be as calm and cozy as possible. If you liked this video and found these tips helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more travel hacks, especially if you're parents. And if you've traveled with your baby before, I'd love to hear about your must-have travel essentials in the comments below. Please make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And don't forget to visit the links in the description for the products mentioned. Anything you purchase helps support the channel, so thank you in advance. Until next time, safe journey.